Question 7 is a percentage problem. We're told that the price of a holiday increases by 20%. And we're told that that 20% represents £240 onto the price of the holiday. Work out the price of the holiday before the increase. So let X here be the price of the holiday before the increase. X, of course, will be our answer. And then the evil travel company added 20% of X to create a new total. We're not really interested in the new total. We're not asked about it. But we're told that this amount here equals 240. I'm always after an equation in these sort of questions, and I can set one up now. I can say that 20% of X is equal to 240. Now, to remove the percentage sign, I can just say that this is 20 over 100 multiplied by X is equal to 240. We might as well get rid of those zeros, and 2 into 10 goes 5. So therefore X over 5 is equal to 240, and therefore X is equal to £1,200. And that's your answer.